What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Before we get into the video, I recorded this video like over a year ago with the GTSC and the GTR swapping the exhaust, but I finally got some sound clip videos of the GTR when I got it finished, so that's just a little disclaimer. So without further ado, let's get into the video. What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to be working on my R32 GTR. As you guys know, I'm pulling the motor out of my car at low compression on 3 of my 6 cylinders. Got my GTST sitting here. The GTR is being taken apart right now, but I have a Tomei catback exhaust that's on the GTST that I want to swap over to the GTR, so when I get it running, I'll have that really nice Tomei catback exhaust for the GTR. This is the current state of the GTR right now. I got basically everything taken apart. The motor is almost ready to be taken out. Just a few more things that I have to do to get it out. GTST's is sitting there looking pretty. But I had a trussed downpipe on the GTR right there. And I also had a trussed Greddy catback exhaust. I'm pretty sure it's stainless, but that exhaust does not sound very good compared to the titanium catback that I put on my GTST not long ago. But I want to take this exhaust off and basically swap it with the trussed Greddy exhaust from the GTR, just because obviously I want to have the better sounding exhaust on the GTR, so when I get it up and running, it's going to sound crazy. All right, so I'm getting the GTST jacked up so I can easily take off this Tomei exhaust. I took this truss exhaust off in like 5 minutes. All I did was spray the hangers with WD-40, unbolt it from the downpipe, and I was able to slide it off really easy. I hope it's the same thing for the Tomei. I put it on, I think, maybe 8 months ago, something like that. So hopefully it's not going to be too bad. It's still really shiny and looks really good. Also, if you guys don't have race ramps, I would highly recommend investing in some of these. You can just use these platforms. Same with the GTR here. It's way easier not to mess with jack stands. I just like these a lot. All right, so here are the two exhausts next to each other. Tomei catback with the Tomei test pipe, all titanium. All right, we got the exhaust on. Let's get the car down and get it started. Does not sound half bad, but that Tomei definitely sounded a lot better in this car. I will be doing a few pulls here in a little bit. Gonna take the car out, get her warmed up a little bit, and just kind of hear that exhaust. We got no leaks I can hear, so that's good. It's been a long time coming, but I got the GTR running. From that last sound clip, it's been about a year. So I'm going to import just some sound clips of the GTR now with the catback and that Tomei. It sounds absolutely crazy. And I have some videos that are in landscape and portrait mode, but that's the way it's going to be for now. And I'll have more videos in the future with the car and how it sounds. But here are the clips from a few days ago. Thank you guys for watching the video. I should have the dyno day video for the GTR posted here soon. The car sounds absolutely insane though with that Tomei exhaust. I love that titanium sound. That GTR has a full custom, basically like just that full downpipe. There's no cat, full catback titanium Tomei, and it sounds absolutely unbelievable. I'm super glad of the result with that car, and I'm not going to spoil it out too much with what the car made on the dyno, but I have a conservative tune on there right now. Really no plans to turn it up too much. We're going to enjoy the car. A lot of work put into it. We're just going to enjoy it for now, and maybe in the future we might turn it up a little bit. We'll see. But thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below if you guys have any other ideas you want me to do in the future. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.